Everyone, welcome to my garage. My name is Aaron, and welcome to Project Fran, where I am currently in the midst of case swapping my 1989 Honda Accord and putting a 5-speed manual transmission to go with that case series engine that's also coming out of a 2006 Acura TSX, the K24A2 that everybody knows. The end goal for this project is TimeAttack. That is my whole purpose, is to be able to take this vehicle to Phoenix Raceway. Short-term goal is to just be able to daily drive her to the store, drive her to school, drive her to... But the reason behind using the CA5 chassis is just my ever-loving passion for the box body vehicles from the 80s and the 90s. It's just something about that era of vehicles that was always innovation and creativity at its finest. You know, they were always trying something new. And plus this chassis is just beautiful to me. I know that they have the Prelude SI 2.0 that is the sister chassis to this vehicle. But with that vehicle, a lot of people have already done things to it, and this vehicle was just more accessible, more untouched, for lack of better words. That's the reason why mainly I chose this chassis. With that being said, there's gonna be a lot of days of, you know, late nights and early mornings with this project. A lot of this project is me going in blind, obviously with research, of course, but when I say going blind this is my first time doing this. This is my first time removing an engine, first time removing an interior of a vehicle, first time removing a transmission, first time removing a CV axle, so on and so forth. It's my first time doing a legitimate project, and you guys are experiencing that firsthand, whether you guys tune into my streams over on Twitch, which will be linked in the description and hopefully on the screen somewhere. A lot of this is gonna be trial and error and trying to figure things out. And of course, you know, with y'all's help as well. And I look forward, you know, every second that I'm in this garage, every second that I'm at my computer working on the program, which I will talk more of in another video, but every time I'm doing that stuff, the passion, the drive is refueled every time, and I hope you guys feel the same way about the project. I thank you guys for stopping by, and if you guys show any interest in the build, I'm trying to be able to stream on Facebook and YouTube, but for now it's just on Twitch. Link will be either on the screen or in the description. Tap in with me there if you guys want to catch it. Catch the build live, but if not, please drop a follow, please share the video, like, comment, and yeah, that'll be it for this introductory video, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Peace. Light up was born, green was born, God's was born. Mashumxro. I gotta get in the fucking hole. Oh, shit remind me of me for real.
I had 3 Musketeers on my desk. Kind of happy.
What is it? Grab that cable right there. This one.
This one right here?
Yeah. What is that?
Oh, wow.
Got some goop on that shit. Bring it up to the camera. No, turn it. Yeah, nah, it look like they got some like clay or something. Hell no.
It's rubber. It's
something that shouldn't be on there.
Yeah. They had to make it stick.
I fucking guess. I don't think it's that serious, man.
What the hell is going on?
In this fucking engine bay, bitch.